Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 25th September which is celebrated as Antyodaya Divas in India, which is the birthday of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay and is celebrated for the upliftment of the poorest section of India. Now, welcome to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 25th September in history of India and the world which all of us must know, and we shall look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. If you improve by 1% every day, within a year you will have improved by 365%. So friends, never worry for your instant success because success comes in steps. Set your goal, prepare your plan and put your efforts accordingly with your loyalty and be positive. Your success is a must. Remember the above lines. Remember, every small step of success adds inspiration towards your growth. Now, let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1916 was leader of Bharatiya Janasangha and had started monthly publication of Rashtradharma? Answer. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. Mughalsarai railway junction in India is named after him as Deendayal Upadhyay Railway Junction. Question number 2. Which Indian cricketer became the first Indian to make record of having been captain in 200 one-day international on this day in 2018? Answer. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Question number 3. Which Indian politician died on this day in 1914, was Chief Minister of Haryana for 2 times and was Deputy Prime Minister during Prime Ministership of VP Singh? Answer. Devilal Chaudhary. Question number 4. Which Indian aerospace engineer born on this day in 1920 is known as father of fluid dynamics research in India and in whose honor the satellite launch station at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh is renamed? Answer. Satish Dhawan. Question number 5. Which is the second film in the series Apu trilogy by Satyajit Ray that won the Golden Lion Prize in Venice Film Festival on this day in 1957? Answer. Aparajito. Question number 6. Which Indian politician died on this day in 1990, was the Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1962 to 1967, preceded by Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who had inducted him as Minister of Agriculture during his period? Answer. Prafulla Chandra Sen. Question number 7. Which Indian actress born on this day in 1977 debuted in Hindi film Ishq Mein Jeena Ishq Mein Marna and known for her acting in films Shahid-e-Mohabbat, Butta Singh and Bhag Milkha Bhag? Answer. Divya Datta. Question number 8. Which English obstetrician performed fast transfer of blood from one person to another on this day in 1818, which was later called blood transfusion? Answer: James Blundell. Question number 9. Which American businessman and founder of Ford Company set 8 hours work for 5 days for the workers on the factory on this day in 1926? Answer: Henry Ford. Question number 10. Which robotic spacecraft was launched by NASA on this day in 1992 to study the surface, atmosphere, climate and magnetic field of the planet Mars? Answer: Mars Observer. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.